So is there a way to check mutual friends on Snapchat? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide. In today's video, we will discuss the ways as to whether or not we can really view the mutual friends on Snapchat. If there is a way, how we can do that. If there isn't, then what are the possible solutions? But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, mutual friends are basically, let's say that you and I are not friends, but the person who's friends with you is also friends with me. So basically the person in between is our mutual friend. Can you really view that on Snapchat? Well, on Facebook, you can simply find mutual friends. On Instagram, you can find mutual followings. But is it possible on Snapchat? We will discuss that. So first of all, if I just go ahead and then open up the Snapchat app, and if I select any of my friends from the list, if I go to the My Friends section over here, and if I select over here, and if I try to see the mutual friends between this person and I, you can see we do not have that option. That's because it is simply not possible to view the mutual friends directly on Snapchat. I don't understand why Snapchat made it so complicated. But there is also a way you can work around this. And that is that once you come to your profile page over here, you can be able to see all these options. Just go to the Add Friends button over here. Once you go to Add Friends, at the bottom you will find this Quick Add button. Now basically all the people on this list are some of the people who have some kinds of mutual connections with you. So you can see all of these people, it's because either they are on your contact list or either they are with friends with some of the people with whom you are friends on, and that is why it is showing up here. And that is basically the only way to figure it out. Snapchat is not going to recommend you random profiles. They think that you know this person, and that is why they're recommending this to you, because they basically have access to your data and privacy. But basically this video helped you and at least gave you some insight as to how mutual friends work. And remember that the Quick Add feature is a selection of friends. So it doesn't necessarily mean that all of these are the mutual friends. It just means that they have some kind of mutual connection. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.